How to delete all iMessages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Tap on Select Messages. And then, select the messages you want to delete from here. Then, tap on Delete at the bottom right corner. Tap on Delete again to confirm. Alternatively, go back and open up the Settings app. Scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. And then, go to Messages. On this page, scroll down to the message history and tap on Keep Messages. Here, select for how long you want to keep your messages. For example, 30 days. Then, tap on Delete. Following these steps, you can easily delete all iMessages on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.